Hi everybody, this is Gary Dean with Sentiment Timing, and this is our technical video report for Thursday, October 3rd, 2024. We just really been stuck in this range. There's not a whole lot to go over. This is a 5-minute chart, and the reason why I'm showing you is you can see that this moving average, every time we get right near there, we're finding sellers, but every time we get down here, there's buyers. So we're really just we're chopping around here, and it's kind of boring. There's not a whole lot you can do, and even doing like an iron condor trade or something like that, they're moving so fast in both directions, you would just get stopped out. But it's we just wanted, this is basically it. This is our zone right here that we're in. We could even bring this down a little bit more. Oh, sorry. But in any case, once we break out of here, then we'll be able to get a better idea as far as direction. Now, being that it's the big move was down, and then we're consolidating here. It's kind of suggesting that the next move will be to the downside. Now, I'm going to show you something. It's some software that I got. It's another AI stuff that I'm going to be combining all these together. But hang on one second. Let me get it. Okay, so this is the software. I can't really give the name. I don't have any. I don't know if it's even on here where you can see it, but I don't have the rights to it, so I'm going to just leave it as is right now. But this is what the software does. So it's basically has a number of different ways that you confirm it, and this is you really want to be following what this momentum is doing. It's a predictive type software, but you can see once it gets above this middle line here, and this is green, and then we have a cross here, it's a buy signal until we get a cross, which we got the other day. We're on a sell, and we're about to go onto a sell signal there. So last time we got something like that, we went from 564 down to 540. So that's on the S&P. So it was about a 20-point move, and then we came right back up again. And you can see there's a couple false readings, but the thing is that none of them were all confirmed. So this is, this is chop, but it's really, I'd like it to the downside. But the main thing is the extension of these green candles here. So this is the one blip on it, but you can see once we got the cross, that's where, we started getting some movement. So I'm going to be using this. It's pretty cool because I could run scans on it and, give me what's on a buy signal, what's on a sell signal, and stuff like that. But then what I do is I simply go to the other AI, and this is, say, the trading software. So that's what to choose. But this is, you want to stay in the position. So we follow the what our trend indicator is calling for. And really the way that I do it, hang on one more. Okay, so this is the other software. So, I use this to find out what's AI saying, and it gives you what it's going to do the day before. So it's for tomorrow, it hasn't popped up yet. It doesn't accumulate until I think around 6:30. But in any case, it will give me this bar and which way that the AI is suggesting it's going to be going. So from there, that's when I go to this is the spiders now, because all of this software is based off of volume and then trend. So the reason why I do this is because if we're nearing a time period where we're going to get that move to the downside or something, I want to make sure that we have a big sell. This means that it was 200, what's it, 200 times? I'm trying to figure out what it is, but it's a big, it means that this had a lot of volume on the sell signal. And you can see we're below the trend line. So right now the trend is down, and then from there we just look on the upside. But it's been kind of boring overall, the markets. We really haven't done anything, and we're really just consolidating. But the reason why I'm showing you that is, there's a chance that we are going to get some type of pullback, and it may not be right away, because here you can see, here you can see you have the bullish divergences, but that got us to bounce here. So if we do follow through and we get into the overextended area, then I wouldn't be surprised to see us come up somewhere up into the 57.30, 57.20. But the overall, I think this is going to be an important top. Now, what I showed you in the premium report with the fractal pattern with the put call ratio, it's allowing for another push to the upside to make new highs, because that's exactly what the pattern was suggesting. But fractal patterns do not, they don't follow it exactly, they mimic it. So we may not get that next move back down to the very, very over, where everybody's has all puts all calls on their portfolio, and there's not a lot of protection at all. So it doesn't mean that it's, it might happen, but the fractal patterns mimic. They don't follow it exactly. So really, the easiest way to do this is you just say, here's let's say I'm going to move it to here, just because we're talking about 57.20, 57.17, 57.19. So this is the line, that the first line the bulls need to get above. And then this is the zone right here. So you have 57.19, 57.29. This is your resistance zone. If the bulls get above it, then we're making it up to the gamma line at the 57.50. Now, if the bears can get price, the first really support zone line is going to be right in this area here. That's the 56.81, 56.73. If they can get through it, then that's where what I would be anticipating is a move down to the next gamma support, which is 56.50, and then the call wall, which is 5600. So this is your really major support right here. And, but right now, just taking it in stride with it, if they take out this zone right here, this support zone, the next move should be fairly quick down to the 5650. And then the safest way to trade it is you wait for that bounce where this is used as resistance, you get short, and then you're looking for the next move to come down to the 5600. Again, if they break through the upside, then you anticipate a move coming to the 57.50. So that's really it. There's not a whole lot. We have the long-term sell signals that are in place, but it's it really it doesn't look all that bearish, even though every time we see any kind of bounce off of the lows, it's getting sold back off. So let's see what plays out tomorrow. Have a great night, and I'll talk to you guys in the morning.